I'm sorry I jumped you guys. Hold on, I'm just gonna do it there. And voila. Hey guys, look at these beautiful people. I know they're on my wall. So I'm using my lamp for my room. And see, it's nighttime. It's nighttime, but I have my TV on, so whatever. So on the 20th of this week, so it's Sunday. So today's Sunday. So today's Sunday. So this week on Thursday, which is the 20th. I'm going to, this is my keychain, but I'm going to Disneyland. So yeah. And I'm going to show you my bag. This is my bag. And it's black it's green with black. It has diamonds, and like these things that look like T's. So yeah. And these are my keychains: Angry Bird, tigers, dog. My Disneyland keychain that says Disneyland on it. So yeah. It's for a class field trip because I passed a huge test. This is my CLTs. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. Oh, to take it off, it has that thing, those things. So I'm just take off the stuff from a little pocket right here. So yeah. Okay. So in this little pocket I have my watch, my chapstick, picture of my grandma because I love her so much, and in 2009 she passed away because of cancer. So yeah. Oh my god, I hate my iPod, seriously. And I'm gonna bring my text band. So yeah. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna like put it on. So I got no idea. So I'm gonna show you what's in my big pocket. I got 3 pens that are Snoopy. So yeah. And I'm gonna bring 3 scrunchies. Cause even though I'm gonna straighten my hair, like put it straight, I'm gonna straighten my hair. Cause these hair, yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna bring my lunch pail. I'm gonna bring water, but my water's in the refrigerator because I don't want it to be spoiled stuff. I'm gonna bring my Monster notebook. Yeah. I'm gonna bring my sunglasses. So yeah. And I'm gonna bring my camera. And I'm bringing my wallet. And there I have $1 in here. You see, $1. So yeah. So I'm gonna put it back inside. So yeah. And this is waterproof because it's in a case. So,
obviously you're just trying to get out doing it yourself. What do you think, I'm stupid? Yes. No. Listen, Olive. Forget what the IQ test
okay.
is. There's no better person to compete tomorrow.
Back.
Well, Mino thinks a stupid person like me would do very goodly at a fancy smart person contest. Let's go, Paisley. We aren't smart enough to hang around China's Squiggly-Doo Fletcher. Who's Squiggly-Doo?
And here's my backpack. I am gonna do a video before I go to Disneyland on the day, and I might do a video after I come back and see and show you guys what I got, or maybe the day after, because I might be like really tired because we're gonna have so much fun. So yeah, so peace. Like, comment, thumbs up, bye.